So our step number one is, again, we go back to Digistore24 and you guys can see marketplace. Click marketplace, and now we're gonna select a product, and I'm gonna select a product which is very popular nowadays. Everybody talks about the thing is called cryptocurrency, right? Everybody is talking about cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, and a lot of people want to make money with cryptocurrency, and this is a whole course of cryptocurrency video. And nobody understands a lot of cryptocurrency, but a lot of people want to make money with cryptocurrency. So this is a whole course of cryptocurrency. And second is, cryptocurrency is nowadays in a trending. That's why this course is really a good time to promote. And you guys can see this programs converts really well. That's why this is sales rank number 5, and the average commission is almost $300, right? So this gives you a 50% commission. And so this is a really good product to promote nowadays, because crypto and Bitcoin in trending nowadays. Everybody talks about the cryptocurrency and like Bitcoins. So now we're gonna click create, click promote, and get your affiliate link and save in your notepad. Okay, once you saved it, so our step number 1 is done. We select a product of really trending product, and step number 2 is we are going to create a landing page. I'm gonna promote this product through free traffic method, but we need a landing page. So I create this landing page through systeme.io. This is completely free. I'm gonna give you a link in the description. I showed you how you guys can create a landing page in the past video, so I'm gonna give you a link in the description or I button. You guys go watch and learn how to create a landing page. So now you guys can see this is a very simple and basic landing page. How to get rich with Bitcoin even if you have no clue about technology. So this is a really catchy headline, and this is a sub headline, wealth building secret. And this is an image I got from Google, what is cryptocurrency, and scroll down and you guys can see very simple. Click here to get a secret of rich. So that is very simple landing page, a one headline, a one landing page, a one call to action button. That's it. And I'm gonna add my affiliate link in here. First of all, there you go, one, and again I'm gonna add my affiliate link also in image. That's it. And I'm gonna click save. So once you add your affiliate links, then your work is done. This is a very simple and basic landing page for this strategy I created. So step number 3 is we go to called Pinterest. So Pinterest is a very popular site. Everybody knows. I think like 90% you guys know about the Pinterest. Is very popular. So this is a free method I'm going to show you, but cryptocurrency, we type first of all cryptocurrency. Why I show you this method right now? Because this method is nowadays very good opportunity for you guys, because nobody talks about a lot of talk about cryptocurrency in Pinterest. So I see there is low competition in cryptocurrency niche in Pinterest and really high demand. Okay, so this is a really good opportunity to promote cryptocurrency product through Pinterest. So scroll down. First of all, I'm going to show you how you guys can create what we call it post. So scroll down, and I like this one. So we just literally, first of all, I like this one, this image. Click right and save this image. That's it. Once I saved it, then step number 4 is I'm gonna go to canva.com, and the next step is really important. So first of all, I'm gonna show you how to create. First of all, Canva is a completely free site. You guys just go sign up, and then you guys can see this page. Okay, click create, and we call it pin, and 1080 by 1920. We select this one, and we just add some things, some few things, change or edit in Canva for our Pinterest post. So you guys can see, click uploads, and you guys upload from your computer. So upload this image just like this. so like this. So now if you guys want to add, like for example, click here, like I would love to add things. Why? Because this is my profile name of Pinterest called things, so I will add this here. If you want to add anything else, you guys can add it. That's it. Or if you guys want to add your landing page URL, you guys can add it. Or if you guys want to add, like for example, click here like this, you guys can easily add it. Click here. But I would love to add, like for example, things. Why? Because this is my profile name. Once you add things, if you want to change color, you guys can easily change color. If you want to change fonts, but you guys can easily change, but I am not good at designing, that's why I just write it things, and I'm gonna click and download this. Okay, that's it. Once you download, this will be downloaded in your computer or PC. Then again we go back to Pinterest, and now we're gonna create a pin. And here is a small tricky thing, you guys make sure watch carefully. First of all, I'm gonna add a pin. Here is, I added my pin, right? So this is the things, this is my profile name, and this is the same image. And now I'm gonna add, first of all, I'm gonna add a title. Title is very, very important. And again, the second one is, this is my description. If you want to add description, so add it. If you don't, so don't. Now it's up to you. And this is my landing page URL. So first of all, make sure understand this. Okay, title, cryptocurrency. If anybody types, for example, search cryptocurrency, this post will pops up. If anybody type Bitcoin, your post will pop up. How to make money with Bitcoin, if anybody search this, your post again will pops up. And this is a small description. If you want to add it. If you don't, so don't add. And here is the add a destination link. You guys must add your landing page link. If you add your affiliate link here, Pinterest will block your account. Okay, then you guys will not be able to create a Pinterest account again. Okay, make sure add a landing page URL. So this is my landing page URL. Once you did this, and I'm gonna show you what you guys can do next once this post. So okay, I don't have a board, so you guys can see I didn't create a board. Click create a board, and we call it invest. That's it. And click create board, and now our post will be, it will take 1 or 2 minutes. And now I'm gonna click publish. So it will take 1 or 2 minutes to publish. So now you guys can see that our post is uploaded successfully. You want to see it, so just see it. So I'm gonna show you one thing, like for example, go back or go to home feed. Once your post is uploaded, I'm gonna show you one thing, cryptocurrency, that for example, I'm going the profile like this, and this is a profile. And you guys can see this guy have only 616 followers. Okay, and this guy is getting almost 36,000 monthly views. This is a lot of views. Okay, and you guys understand, in Pinterest the good thing is you guys don't need to create audience. You don't need to create make a lot of followers. You guys just create a post and post. Make sure you guys must create a content and post in Pinterest every single day. You guys must upload 2 or 3 contents every single day, and you guys get a lot of views. Okay, so Pinterest just need content. They don't need a lot of followers to getting you views. So for example, this is your 36,000 followers. So for example, this guy is promoting trade binary options and trading, and this guy is also promoting like cryptocurrency type of offers. So for example, this is your profile, and you guys are getting 36,000 monthly views. and I'm just giving you example. You guys get 36,000 monthly views, and for example only 10% people click on your link. It means almost you guys get 3,000 link clicks. So this is a lot of link clicks. You got means link clicks means 3,000 people go to your landing page. And for example only 1% people can buy your product, so it means you get a 30 sales. This is a lot of sales, and the average commission of the sale is $300. Once you multiply 300 multiply by 30, so it means you guys can easily make $9,000 a month with this simple method. So this is a really effective method. If you did this method consistency, then you guys can see really good results.